Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the dock frame on a Dell Latitude E5470. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First loosen screws, then use fingers to separate and remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove solid state drive. Then unscrew and remove bracket and wireless card. Then disconnect keyboard cables. Now unscrew and remove bracket, then disconnect display cable. Next, unscrew and remove dock frame. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.